How to fix Snapchat notifications not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix Snapchat notifications not working. So let's dive right in. First step, you will need to check your settings. So head over to your settings on your device. Head over to notifications. From notifications, go to app notifications. And from here, locate your Snapchat. If you see the button not toggled on, toggle it on. And you should now receive Snapchat's notifications. Now again, head over to your Snapchat app itself. Go to your Bitmoji on the top left. Then go to settings on the top right. There you'll find the notifications option. Tap on that. And make sure that you have toggled on all the necessary notifications that you need. So you can locate all the notifications and turn it on from here. And if none of this work, restart your phone. A simple restart can often fix glitches. So tap on the power button and volume up button together and tap on restart. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.